आनी एक्टिविस्ट ज्यो बाब हाणें गोंयचे खातीर जायतो वावर केला आनी आजुनूय करता आनी जी ताचे अंडर टीम आसा आमी सगळे जाता ते प्रमाणे हातबोट घालून गोंयच्या पासत काम करता. आयज आमी गोंयकारांक सांगूंक सोदता थोड्याच वर्सांनी गोंयकार आपल्याच गोंयांत गुलाम जावपाचे आसा. येस, गोवा is on the brink of extinction. Goans will not last for very long if we do nothing about it. आनी पॉलिटिशनाचो गुन्यांव करचो न्हय, जाण एक गोंयकार हाचेर जबाबदार आसतलो. हे पॉलिटिशन जायतीं प्रॉमिसां करतले. उडगास करता, इलेक्शना टायमार सोनिया गांधी गोंयांत आयली आनी गोंयकारांक स्पेशल स्टेटस प्रॉमीस केलो. उपरांत मोदी आयलो, ताणेंय गोंयकारांक स्पेशल स्टेटस प्रॉमीस केलो. आनी ह्या इलेक्शनाकूय बीन पॉलिटिशन प्रॉमिसां करीत रावतले. हे पॉलिटिशनांनी गोंयकारांचो सारको अदमास केला आनी हातूंत गोरचे बेदी भायले चोर आसात. तूं गोंयकारांक विचारूंक सोदता, आमकां आनीक आतां उपाय उरला कितें? जोरी तर गोंयकार धोड आसत जाल्यार आजुनूय गोंयकारांक एक निमणो उपाय उरला. गोंयचे फुडले पिळगे खातीर तरी ह्या निमण्या वेळार आमी गोंयकारांनी आमची आयडेंटिटी, माय पार्टी, माय ग्रूप ऑर माय रिलीजन हें सोडून निमणे आमी फक्त गोंयकार म्हूण एकठांय जावपाची गरज आसा. आनी ना जाल्यार सगळ्या गोंयकारांक बाप्पाय ना आनी पुडवेंय ना. गोंयकारांक विचारूंक सोदता, गोवा लिबरेट जाल्यार कितलीं वर्सां जालीं? 60 वर्सां? दुबयच्या लिडरांनी 30 वर्सां भितर दुबयची उदरगत करून दाखयली. सिंगापूर फ्रॉम नथींग टू ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथींग 25 वर्सां भितर. जपान बॉम्ब पडून लाचून काबार जाल्लें 20 वर्सां भितर परते उबे रावले. गोंयकारांक 60 वर्सां जालीं आनी गोंयच्या लिडरांनी कितें केलें? आमच्या तरणाट्यांक फक्त ड्रायव्हर आनी हवालदार करून सोडले. जरी तर आमचे लिडर बरे आसलोले जाल्यार आयज तातूंतले कितलेशेच IPS, IAS ऑफिसर जावन मेकळे जावपाचे. उडगास करुया. 10,000 गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांनी अकावंट पोस्टाक एग्जाम दिल्ली. 10,000 फेल जाले. कित्याक? बिकॉज वी हॅव रॉंग पीपल इन द रॉंग प्लेस. आमच्या लिडरांक दिसता की फक्त तांच्या भुरग्यांनी आनी तांच्या फॅमिलीन भायल्या देशांत वचपाचें आनी बरें शिकप घेवपाचें आनी आमच्या गोंयकार तरणाट्यांनी इलेक्शना टायमार फक्त तांचे बॅनर लावपाचे. पूण ह्या गोंयच्या तरणाट्याच्या मोदींक कशें घालपाचें? आमी गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक सांगूंक सोदतात, गोंयकारा तूं कोणूय आसूं, एक शेतकार पासून आसूं, फक्त तुजें मन बरें आसल्यार यू हॅव द पावर टू सेव गोवा. प्लीज डू नॉट अंडरएस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ युअर इंडिविज्युअलिटी. उडगास करता, जायत्या सायंटिस्टांनी, जायत्या इंजिनियरांनी व्हेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली स्टेटेड हेवियर देन एअर फ्लायट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल. येस, जायत्या सायंटिस्टांनी, इंजिनियरांनी एरोप्लेन करपाक ट्राय केली, तांचे कडेन जावंक ना. सो इम्पॉसिबल. जे सायंटिस्टां कडेन करूंक जावंक ना, जे इंजिनियरा कडेन करूंक जावंक ना, तें लास्टाक कोण करून मेकळो जालो? सायकल मॅकॅनीक. सो गोंयकारा, जोरी तर कोणूय लिडर थिंक दॅट ही ऑर शी इज मोर इंटेलिजंट देन यू, देन रिमेंबर दॅट लीडर इज अंडरएस्टिमेटिंग यू. ते लीडर खुद के सिवा और किसी का ना कभी सोचा था ना सोचेंगे. आमच्या गोंयकारांचे फक्त एक प्रॉब्लम आसा, तें म्हणल्यार नेणारपण, इग्नोरन्स. आनी आमच्या नेणारपणाकूच लागून आमच्या गोंयकारां मदें एकवट ना. आनी हे आमच्या विकनेसाचो भायले सगळे गोंयांत येवन गोंयकारांचो अदमास करूंक लागले आनी आतां ते गोंयकारांचो फायदो काडटात. तांकां पूण गोंयकारांनी बरे मनान एकठांय जायत जाल्यार गोंय सांबाळपाक दिल्लीवाल्यांची वा बेंगोल्यांची गरज ना, फक्त गोंयकारांच्या एकवटाची गरज आसा. आनी जरी तर तामिळनाडूच्या लोकांच्यान 19 दिसां भितर, फक्त 19 दिसां भितर एकवट दाखोवपाक जाता जाल्यार गोंयकारांच्यान 120 दिसांनी एकवट दाखोवपाक कित्याक जायना? आमी सगळेच गोंयकार कंडिशन डीपली टू बिकम युजफूल इडियट्स टू आवर मास्टर्स. आमी सगळेच गोंयकार स्वार्थी सेल्फीश नो. आमच्या गोंयच्या सगळ्या गांवांनी बरें मन आसलेले गोंयकार अजूनय आसात. तांकां फक्त एनकरेजमेंट जाय. पळय हे सगळे गोंयकार बरे मनान आज हांगा येयल्यात आनी बरे मनान गोंयकार एकठांय जायत जाल्यार गोंय सांबाळपाक फक्त गोंयकार म्हूण एकठांय जायत तर जाल्यार नोबडी कॅन स्टॉप अस. टुगेदर येस वी कॅन स्टील सेव गोवा. फक्त गोंयकार जोड आसपाक जाय आनी गोंयकाराच्यान अजुनूय गोंय सांबाळूंक जाता तें आमी प्रूव करून दाखयतले. हांव नोव्हेंबराचे 13 तारखेर सांजेच्या 5 वरार मारगांव म्युनिसिपल हॉल गोंयकारांक आनीक पाट उडगास करता. दीस इज नॉट पॉलिटिक्स, दीस इज आवर सर्वायवल. आनीक पाट उडगास करता. थोड्याच वर्सांनी गोंयकार आपल्याच गोंयांत गुलाम जावपाचे आसात. येस, तर ह्या निमण्या वेळार गोंयचे फुडले पिळगे खातीर तरी आमी बऱ्या मनान एकठांय जावया आनी दुडवां खातीर आमच्या नेणारपणाक लागून गोंयचे फुडले पिळगेक पाड घालूंक दिवचे न्हय. जाता जाल्यार सांबाळुया आनी इट्स नाव ऑर नेवर. गोंयकारा, डेस्परेट टायम्स कॉल्स फॉर डेस्परेट मेजर्स. वेक अप गोंयकारा, यू कॅन डू इट. थँक्यू.
नाव सांग तुझं.
एक गोंयकार.
आमकां नाव जाय बरोवपाक जाय.
मागीर दिल्या जायना.
ना आतां सांग न्हू आमकां.
ओके, जेक मास्कारेन.
मागीर बीन कितें खबर.
सांग तू.
आम आदमी भायले
हां सांग.
तूं म्हणटा भायल्यांका भायले हाडटा, भायले हाडटा, दिल्लीची हाडटा, पंजाबी हाडटा, पूण हांकां कोण गोंयकारच हाडटा न्ही, गोंयान हाडटा. सो दे आर नॉट युनायटेड. सो वॉट इज से अबाउट इट?
First thing you have to ask what you are ready to do for Goa. Instead of talk it goes talk no. And you have the power. This is my thing. Don't underestimate yourself. Understood? Goinche tornata palitla power aha. Only thing they are not starting to question everything. No Goan is less than anybody. We have the power, but we are not using it. Okay. We are thinking what talk it goes walk it. Zori the right minded goinkar it. Miracles are possible. And I mean a leader जावपाक गेल नाही. Give us a goinkar with reasonable common sense and decency. We will make a leader out of him. Great leaders create more leaders, not followers. But goinkar bore aspak jay. Bore manan एकठांय जायत. Yes, miracles are possible. No, तुम
आता हांव शॉर्ट उलय हां प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स मिटींग करनाका.
रामकृष्ण जर्नी गोंयच्या कूळ म्हणटा आवाजाचो आनी गावडा कुणबी धनगर फेडरेशनचो रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह. हांव न्हू म्हज्या मित्रान हेजे पयलीं सांगला त्या प्रमाणे गोंयांत डेवलप जावपाक 60 वर्सां कित्याक लागली. तर कारण कितें तर हांगासर ज्यो गोश्टी हांगासर बेजीक आसात ताजो प्रॉपर युटिलायजेशन जावना. हांगासरल्या लोकांक अजून पर्यंत जस्टीस दिवंक मेळूना आनी हांगासरल्या लोकांक एनकरेज करूना. तर मेन रिजन म्हटल्यार की जेन्ना आमी हांगासरले जमनीचे उलयतात तर हांगासरले बरे बरे जमनीचे कायदे आशिल्ले. टेनन्सी एक्ट आशिल्लो आनी मुणकार एक घरां आशिल्लो तो आज पर्यंत सेटल जावना. उलट आमची जमनी डेवलपमेंटाच्या नांवान ग्रॅब करपाचें चालू आसा आनी ह्या बिल्डरां खातीर हांगासरल्या मुणकारांची घरां मोडलीं वतात. तर त्याच बरोबर कुमेरीचो विशय सॉल्व जावना, फॉरेस्टाचो विशय सॉल्व जावना. कारण ही फॉरेस्टां कुमेरी लँड हे बिल्डर्स आनी हे मोठे मोठे पॉलिटिकल खावपाक सोदतात. कारण हे सगळें राजकारण हे स्वार्थी भितर चल्लां. ताका लागून आमी गोंयकारांक अपील करपाक आयिल्ले आसात. आमकां डेवलपमेंट जाय पूण तो सगळें मेनटेन करूंक जाय जेणे करून ह्या गोंयची आयडेंटिटी उरतली, हांगासरले पीस आनी हांगासरले शांतताय उरतली हाजे खातीर. त्याच बरोबर हांगासर ट्रायबल लोकांक 2003 एसटी मेळो स्टेटस मेळून सुद्दां अजून पर्यंत तांचे खंयचीच गोश्ट क्लियर जाल्ली ना. उदाहरणार्थ म्हटल्यार हांगासरल्यो शेड्यूल एरिया डिक्लेअर केल्यो ना. दुसरें म्हटल्यार हांगा ट्रायबल एडवायजरी कमिटी काडूं ना, ट्रायबल सब प्लॅन रेडी ना आनी प्रचंड प्रमाणांत हांगासरलो फंड जो 12% फंड जाता तो मिसयूज जाल्लो वयता. ताका लागून आमी गोंयकारांक अपील करतात की हांगासरले सगळे जात धर्म पंथ विसरून सगळ्यांनी ह्या गोंयच्या हिता खातीर सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवचें आनी येणाऱ्या काळात हे गोंय टिकून उडोवपा खातीर आमी सगळ्यांनी योग्य निर्णय घेतले अशें म्हाका दिसता.
I am Syed Yunus, engineer working for a company in Ganna. India is the largest democracy in Srinagar, but our democracy do not support or represent our common people. Now, what does this mean? When we ask a common person, when we ask a student, he will say democracy means of the people, for the people, by the people. लेकिन हमें अब दिखाई देता है कि ऑफ, फॉर और बाय उसका गला घोंट दिया जा रहा है, उसको मारा जा रहा है. जब ये सिचुएशन तैयार होती है तब क्या बचता है? तब बचता है सिविल सोसाइटी पे अटैक. और वो पोलराइजेशन ऑफ द सोसाइटी और इलेक्शनों के जो नतीजे आते हैं उस पर हम वो धांधली और उस पर सवाल निशान यानी क्वेश्चन मार्क किए जाते हैं. जब मीडिया को फोर्स किया जाता है असल को गलत और गलत को असल पेश करने की तुम कोशिश करो, तब समाज में एक अफरा तफरी मचती है और वो अफरा तफरी आगे बढ़ के एक डिवाइडेड पॉलिटिक्स का एक रूप लेने की कोशिश करते हैं हमारे चुने हुए पॉलिटिशियंस. हमारा संविधान कहता है इक्वल राइट्स टू ऑल. हमारा जब ये सुंदर सी ये शब्द को हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के शब्द को निकाला जाता है और जब इस डेमोक्रेसी की एसेंस को निकाला जाता है तो बचता क्या है? तो बचता वही है कि कुछ एलिमेंट्स जो उनके पंख निकल आते हैं और मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी को सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करता है. आज नारा कौन सा चाहिए? व्हाट इज द स्लोगन फॉर टुडे? द स्लोगन इज जय जवान, जय किसान और जय संविधान. Very soon we are going to have elections in India and also in Goa. My appeal to everybody is please elect those candidates जो जवानों की रक्षा करें, जो किसानों को इज्जत दे और जो हमारे संविधान को बचाए रखे. नहीं तो बहुत जल्द ये हमारी अवाम, हमारा देश का हर एक नागरिक ये कह उठेगा कि तुम जिस ज़मीन पे हो तुम उसके खुदा नहीं. सर बसर इस पर अजियत व आज़ार ना करो. इस पर हुकूमत करने का तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं. हमारे देश को बर्बाद करने का तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं. थैंक यू.
माझे नाव अतुल सुंदर. I'm from Santa Cruz. While the politicians are gathering votes, we are trying to gather wise people through this concept, because as Socrates says, wisdom is less in our society, and that's the reason why we get divided. Though we are educated, yet we lack in wisdom. जायत्या गोंयकार शिकलेले आसा पूण कितें निमणे वखदार तांची तकली यूज करिनासतना ते भायर सरता आनी भलत्याकूच वोट मारता. आमची गरज तुमी पळयलां आसतली गोंयांत कितें कितें जाता पळय तें. आयज गरज आसा की गोंयकारांक लागीं येवचें आनी मनान तुमी वोट मारचे. द कॉल is to find wise people with wisdom, and I appeal to the media, I appeal to all of you. You are doing such a fabulous work in getting the people, in making the people aware of what is happening on ground. I appeal to you, the fourth pillar, please stand by the people and spread this message, spread it wide and clear, and let us all get united through you all, through the media, united for one cause. Thank you.
हांव मिडियाक थँक करता बिकॉज इट इज द मिडिया which has given voice to whatever I have said. Very often, this used to die on the pages. And people think it's merely. Scientific reason, China, no studying science, Mr. Melu. So, पूरा साथ में 1974 Zuari Agrichemical Sogram Budok of arsenic catalyst Alkali and Sankowal, Kabuli, Plato got affected. That time Shashikala was the chief minister. She knew that her father had given the permission for the Zuari. But he and त्या वेळार स्टडी केले Aicole scientists and immediately that factory was closed. Many of the people said, Baba, Birla factory, go on down China, he is actually born. It's a big factory, they can buy. So Bonds have done their work from 74. But somewhere we have lost the path. Why we have lost the path? Because we are not inculcating in the youth knowledge-based education. We are only giving them information, and the information they must put exam pass hata. When it comes to competition, fail. Because in competition you are given tricky questions, and here and there it is emerging. Our exam system, education is there. Now, that is not the point which I want to highlight. My highlighting thing is people know your candidate, know whom you are going to vote. What's the use? You vote for a man and the next day he is in some other party. Your sanctity is gone. You vote for a man thinking that he is going to remove casinos. We vote for a man thinking that there will be no coal hub. You see, I was also a consultant to Pollution Control Board, besides being professor at the university. I was also the consultant for solid waste management municipality. I know exactly what are the problems. आम्ही कितें करता कसा कार्ड तांकां ग्लव्स दिना तांकां मास्क दिना थिंगा डंपिंग कितें कांयचें काय हॅजार्डस एंड नॉन हॅजार्डस वेस्ट दे ऑल्सो बिकम सिक मागीर जाता मागीर ते काडटा हांगा सगळे तिसो सी आर सोडो फ्रॉम 1950 till now. Sonsodo garbage is increasing and increasing, piling and piling. People are making money in the name of garbage management. We are taking care of the garbage. Garbage, you know, Angathan in the forest area in Satari. Garbage, anti-garbage, instead of being treated, the contractor takes it and dumps it, but he gives money to the signing authority. Somebody passes the bill. Very bad. We are killing ourselves. We are killing the hand that feeds you. They are down on us. And that's why we have come now together. Do we require full hub? Do we require casinos to we always say development requires money. What type of development? At whose cost I mean development put down? Because you want money from the person who loses money in gambling so that Goa can prosper. Is it productive money? We don't want agriculture. We don't industry. Amche boys go and stay just opposite the casino. A person instead of having high marks, instead of going for engineering, he says, no, I want to make easy money. in the casino they promise you. One or two get it, otherwise you're having casino they solve happening people from Nepal. So employment for Nepalis at the cost of fellow Indians, and it say no Goans will be given thing on the casino. No Goan will suffer. Yes, only on top. But in actual, all the 40 people are given money to keep quiet. That's why you don't find agitation. माझ्या घरात सामका smoking and this is going on full swing. So it is a wearer who knows where the shoe is pinching. So I know what is happening in the casino industry. It is treacherous. So my point is that we have to not only elect good people, but we see that those who are in governance also are people who are capable of giving. Do you know radically as a teacher that IAS Muntabete is I agree sir, not agree sir, I agree sir. The police क्षेत्र munta जाता. Show must go on. झालं ते. तो मागीर हांव जे सनबर्नाक दिना, दिवचो ना मागीर दिवचो ना, कांय ना. One day before, money change and license given. Press, what press can do? Press is nothing. People are dying there. Do people know that people are dying because of drugs? Things like get prepared to. So what I want to tell the common man is be aware to realities what is happening. Understand the problems. University in Manipur, we must do. Who are the professors in the university? पहिले गोंयकार आसले फर्स्ट. आतां गोंयकार म्हणून नात थिंगा ते येता and they do research on what they feel like. Do you know, I have witnessed Madhe issue. Madhe issue, the professors there who are from Karnataka, they are not bothered about what is happening in Goa because their houses is there. So they will work. Why Madhe is going to for a toss? Sargiri Madhe, we are not getting all the watershed is gone. Here one forest person in charge of forest, he is a vested interest in mining. So he wants mining to go. He is not bothered about your forest. So what I am telling you. So our business is, Baba, are you going to vote for him because he is going to give you some small job in the mining industry, or you will give a person who will protect those interests? Are you interested in Adani having the coal hub in Vasco, or are you interested in pollution which it is causing there? You know how much of coal pollution is there? I have studied it. I have studied in NPT, what is happening in NPT. Ships come, they discharge oil, and then I starboard on gold beaches. Well, they don't prefer so they don't kill this yata. And I said, look, even with that. Why the starboard happening? How we are going to stop it? Tell the people these starboard are man-made. It is not natural from God coming into, because of the destiny. The things they bring it from the sea, they won't tap it, they won't touch the ocean, and then it comes on the shore. And they tell us that we have to stop. There is called hydrocarbon fingerprinting. Just like Ata, one pie ha, the Burgaso, is very easy now. Earlier, correct? They have a talent in China. I'm educated, but now there is technology. Again, there is about food adulteration of food. Very bad, people are getting cancer. Do you know, they are putting pigments to make vegetables green, they are putting malachite green. They are the tea will be orange. they put it to make it get red pigment. And I mean, tomato bari दिसता. I mean, घेतात without knowing that those things are brightened by chemicals. So there are many issues where we want to tell the people, Baba, wake up. The formalin issue पण बाहेर काढला पहिलो हांवें काढला न्हू. The formalin is, why formalin is coming on fish? You must know the reason. Formalin is coming from fish. Because आम्ही आमचो दर्या पिड्यार केला, हांगा हाली सांगता मेवता, बरे नुस्तें गोबरे, सगळे गेले, ते मागीर तामिळनाडूचे नुस्तें काडटाले आमी हांगा हाडटा. ते ड्युरींग ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ते हें जाता, डिटेरियोरेट जाता. So to make it look fresh, they put this one because it is cheap, it preserves, but it affects our health. So keep all these things. We as a team want to tell the people, Tuka, or you want help, or you want a person who will give you 2,000 rupees before the election and keep you happy. Think, or else perish. So this is what exactly what happened. If you have any questions.
So any of this group are going to contest for election?
No. That's what I'm telling you. Then it becomes a vested interest. Correct, no? Hamka, absolutely, as a scientist, I've been working on this from 74. Matani was there that time. Well, no, 74. I must thank him also because he was just a new teacher in there, and then there was the paper called O Herald, Portuguese paper. It was not English. English is 84. They brought it out. The Karma Azevedo put it in the paper. English Azevedo, Konkani, Yensa. So keep that in mind that our business is to make people aware. You have a point that if you want to change the system, you have to enter the dirty waters. Well, no. But everybody cannot enter into this. Some are not gifted to do this. Some are gifted to enlighten the people. If you had asked Socrates to stand for election, he would have been lost. Well, no. Jesus Christ, he was murdered by his own people. Whether you like it or not, he was murdered. Correct, no? So very often the intellectual people are not appreciated during that time in the society. Later on, but later on is sometimes too late. You understood? That is what I want to tell you.
Regarding election, Goans should come together and select their leaders, not self-proclaimed leaders. Now you are correct. We have to select, Baba, this is a good person, we'll select. And if we select, we don't need that MLA to spend any money. We will come together and we'll see that. Because if I push more, my tongue so आम्ही पहिले एकठांय जावपाक जाय, and then we have to decide. So our whole aim is to unite people, right-minded. And if right-minded comes together, miracles are still possible.
See, now we are having this press conferences, we have gone to villages, speak to people. Just only from our own pocket. Not that all NGOs are good. Our NGO, we are not taking a single price from the government. There are NGOs which take government funds, This is under question mark now. The government is asking why you don't take money from them.